A quick review on MQL5, Meta Code Language 5, which is a specialized programming language developed by Meta Code Corporation as an automated trading tools to help traders average profit on MT5, that is MetaTrader 5. A lot of traders are already using those tools to average profit, but majority of the traders don't know about those tools. So now, as a trader, the end goal has always been to average profit. As a trader, it's your duty to make a research on how you can average profit. And MQL5 has a lot of those powerful features that you can explore them and be in consistent profit. And one among those features are expert advisors, which are the automated trading bots that help you execute your trade, help you close your trade, either stop, sell limit, buy limit, or any other execution type that your strategy uses. Can be instant execution or any of the execution type your strategy is using. So as a trader, using EA both can bring a significant difference to your trading strategy, right? So you have a strategy. Now, what are the conditions of your strategy? What are the conditions that your strategy uses to enter execute to execute trade that is open and close orders? So now using a bot, you will submit your strategy to the EA bot, and the EA bot will be doing everything for you. That's your day-to-day trading activities. The EA will be able to handle everything, right? We also have other powerful features, which are the custom indicators. We traders we know about moving averages, Bollinger Bands, or other big indicators. But using MQL5 to the full as a trader, you'll be able to create your own custom indicator to match your trading style. You will not be depending on moving average or Bollinger Bands or any indicator in the market, right? You'll be able to create your own indicator to let the indicator do what your strategy is doing, so that you'll be able to pick a trade at the right time, close a trade at the right time. We also have script, right? Script, like you'll be able to code a script to let the script send you alert, or to let the script close a trade for you, or to let the script pick a trade for you at the right time, or to let the script do anything you want to do. Okay, these are one among the three powerful features of MQL5. As a trader, you should learn how to explore them, right? Me and my team were building a boat. We are building a boat which is very powerful. For now, we have been exploring the EA for the past 7 months, and the result has been amazing, right? Now, this EA help us to to pick a trade, scalping on a 15-minute time frame. Though the scalping has some logic behind that we use, it's not just a normal scalping, and the result has been consistent. The result has been profitable. So as traders, learning how to create EA bot, you'll be in you'll be in profit, especially when your strategy is very profitable. You can check about EA bot, how to create EA bot on YouTube. There are many YouTube channels that teach people how to create EA bot, right? Now, if you don't even have the chance to create your own EA bot, you can visit mql5.com and check out their marketplace. They have other powerful bots that people are buying. I mean, people are selling. And my team bought one in 2023, and the result was amazing. Though after a while, the results, the year stopped being profitable. So we have this one among the best selling on MQL5, going for over $1,099, and people are giving it good review. We have other bots too. We have some free ones you can check. You can check them out. We have indicators. You can check out the indicators. We have other trading tools here too. You can explore the MQL5 market. Okay, or you can learn how to code your own, or you can check out what me and my team, what we are doing. You can check out on our on our website auxobots.com. We are building amazing products. You can check out our Discord. We're also building a community of traders. You can join us, and we do group. So as a trader, it is your duty to make a research, know what is good for you, know what is good for your strategy. Okay, you can check about them. You can Google. You can watch videos how to create EA bots, how to create custom indicators, how to create scripts. You can join our team and ask for more information. You can join our team and join our Discord and ask for guidance how you can create those tools, and you can get a coach to help you do it. Okay, thank you for watching.